Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of It's Happy's World. So today's video is how to change the battery on this particular type of key. It's very easy method to change. The first thing you need is a coin battery, which the number is 2032. I have received on my dashboard key battery low. I thought of changing it, and I will just show you the steps on how to change this battery. You don't need any other tools to change the battery. All you have to do is, it's very easy method to change, so watch it. So first thing what I'm going to do is by pressing the push button, taking the key out, and then as you can see here, there's a small, see that gap, and I'm going to insert this in. Just twist. What will happen is it will open up. Just once it's opened, you get this bit. So this is just the case you receive, and here you open this case. So use the same key, just twist, put it under and lift up. On this side as well, put under and lift up. So okay, so once you lift up, you see the battery. See there's a small gap here at the edge. You get the battery outside. Just push it and you will get the battery out. Oh, sorry, one more time. Okay, this battery is out. Open a new one and you just get the new one in. Put this in. Sorry, push it. That's it, done. So see if you can perfect. Take this case, align it up and press hard on both the sides so that you should get locked on both the sides. All you have to do is close the lid, all four sides, put the key back in, ready to go.